What's up, Hemi heads and hard shifters? It's your man Hemi now, and I'm back with another video. I know it's been a minute, but Zeus don't look the same. Show you out Zeus, because a lot of y'all hadn't seen him in a while. I still got to finish up my stripes here on the back. As you can see, I got the custom wicker bill back there. Got the Carven tips, Carven exhaust, Carven muffler. Got the 22s on there, 22 by 9s and 22 by 10 and a halves. Got the stripes matching the rims. I got to finish up the emblems and stuff on the side. Yeah. As you can see, your boy trying to get it together. All right, about to get these resonators cut off and get some Carven TR. Tips coming off. I got the tip welded onto the muffler, but you still can pull the tip off. I kept a little bracket on with a Carven tip screw on there. Oh, yeah. All right, first remote start at the new muffler. Sounds a lot quieter, a lot more smooth. I know you want to hear me rev this thing up, so let me go on ahead and push this gas for you. Burning a little octane. But that sound quality wasn't the best there on the end of that video where I gave you the revs, but I just want to give you an idea of it just so you can know. Anyway, those are Carven TR mufflers and Carven tips on their 5-inch tips. Just let me know what you think down in the comments. If you got something rude to say, keep it to yourself.